She is the boss. I am her employee.
I mean, let's be honest, AK is the boss. But
He's
actually,
really, he's somebody who's not present.
So yeah, we've really tried hard to be honest and smart businesswomen.
As your reason is cherish is I'm sorry. Okay, so reason is completely showcase a cherishing childhood theme. So I just want to know, is there any like a most embarrassing or quirky nickname of yours which your parents has addressed it?
My parents called me what? My dad
Nickname.
Embarrassing nickname.
Nicknames? My father used to call me Giraffe because I had a really long neck.
Amba.
Amba.
So tall.
And
I remember.
And my family and my friends call me Senior now.
Okay.
Senior Kapoor.
Senior Giraffe.
My sisters always had been the cool ones, so nobody ever tried to make
I just
her.
had like Ryu, Riri.
Yeah.
My new friend calls me Riri.
Yeah.
And yeah, dude, just like, Boni Chacha used to call me Chipkali. Because I was so skinny and I was so, like I didn't like eating when I was young and I was just like
I don't
skinny.
know what happened.
And then all of a sudden, around 13, 14, I was like, food. I went insane. But yeah, that was my nickname. I wish people called me Chipkali and I'd be like, thanks.
बचपन की कुछ अगर यादें आप शेयर कर सकें, कपड़ों के लिए कभी लड़ाई झगड़े होते थे एक दूसरे के कपड़ों के साथ, कुछ ऐसा?
बचपन में मेरी जो हम लड़ाई तो कभी नहीं करते थे। रिया और मैं बहुत ही करीब हैं बचपन से ही। और मेरी माँ जो है वो एक फैशन डिज़ाइनर होती थी, वो कपड़े बनाती थी। तो हमारी जो चाइल्डहुड है वो कपड़ों मतलब फैशन और फिल्म से बहुत भरपूर, बहुत ही देयर वाज अ लॉट ऑफ दैट, बहुत सारी चीज़ें थी ऐसी। तो हाँ, बहुत सारी ऐसी यादें हैं, पर हमारे एक बहुत ही साधारण सिंपल वे ऑफ लिविंग था 90s में। हमारे पास सेल फोन्स नहीं थे, हमारे पास सोशल मीडिया इतना नहीं था, कंप्यूटर्स बहुत कम चलते थे। हम जाते थे तो एक बॉक्स होता था कंप्यूटर के लिए, और 1 घंटा मिलता था एक हफ्ते में कंप्यूटर के साथ खेलने में, और मोडेम होते थे इंटरनेट के लिए जब मैं 15 साल की थी। यू रिमेंबर दैट?
Of course, everything took 1 hour to
डायल अप मोडेम होता था। और फिर आई थिंक जब मैं 15-17 साल की थी तभी ICQ, याहू मैसेंजर, हॉटमेल, ये सब शुरू हो गया। You know that what is it? SA or sex age और ASL. Oh my God, मुझे ये सब याद है। तो वो सब बहुत धीरे धीरे शुरू हुआ। मगर मुझे याद है, रिया और मुझे याद है, जब बचपन में हमारे जो वांट्स और नीड्स थे वो बहुत ही सिंपल थे, और हम वो ही चीज़ हमारे कपड़ों में लाना चाहते हैं, टू सिंप्लीफाई लाइफ, टू अंडरस्टैंड द सिंपल ब्यूटीज ऑफ लाइफ। एंड दैट वाज द होल आइडिया। जब रिया हम स्वीट्स और थोड़े थोड़े कैंडी सिगरेट्स के साथ और ये सारी चीज़ें को दिखा रहे हैं हमारे कपड़ों के तौर, बट दैट्स व्हाट वी ट्राई टू रिक्रिएट।
So our company, Sonam and I, the first company that we started together is named after my nani, Duru. And
Draupadi, but
everyone called her Duru. And so basically, you know, the thing is, my Nana worked in the State Bank of India, and he had a very high post, but my Nani used to always tell me that they didn't have a lot of money to spend on like clothes or, you know, things like that. They had a very beautiful home and they had everything, but the disposable income was less because he was a very simple man, my Nana. So my Nani taught herself how to stitch clothes. She taught herself how to do flowers. She taught herself how to bake. And that creativity came into my mother and my Masi. And I think that her spirit sort of lives in us.
Yeah.
And she was a very simple woman who loved music and loved clothes and loved flowers and loved all the most amazing things in life that you can get at any price. You know, it doesn't matter. It's not about it being expensive. So that's basically the idea, the soul of the brand.
Cannes 2017 is just round the corner.
We're leaving tomorrow.
You're leaving tomorrow and you're walking the red carpet on 21st and 22nd. So how excited you are, first of all, and how do we see Sonam this year? Along with this, Deepika Padukone is also making her debut in
Yeah.
Cannes under the same brand L'Oreal Paris.
Yes.
So
L'Oreal Paris, are we allowed to say that?
L'Oreal
Because-
Paris, I mentioned. So, any advice or any wishes you would like to give her?
I mean, I hope she has a good time because I don't think I should be giving advice to someone who has already walked several international red carpets. I just believe in being myself, and honestly, my sister styles me. We haven't actually prepped that much this time because we had a brand that we were launching. I'm shooting for 2 films. She's making a film called Veere the Wedding. And for the past couple of years, we decided not to pressurize ourselves and just have a good time, and we've got the best reviews because of it. So we don't think about it too much. It's not about the status quo, status symbol of being on the red carpet. We're going for a brand. If it was a movie, I would be like, oh my God, I'm so stressed out. I'm going to faint on the red carpet. Can I go in my pajamas? But because it's for a makeup brand and it's something that I really enjoy doing, it's about looking beautiful. And you can only look beautiful if you're happy inside and if you are confident. And that is, again, something that is very empowering. And that's what my sister and I are trying to promote through our brand and through every appearance that we make, that it's okay to be yourself.
About your teenage memories actually. तो कभी ऐसा कोई मेमोरी है जहां पर आप लोग इंस्पायर्ड हुए तो कोई एक्ट्रेस से सीइंग या क्लोथ्स ऑन द
करिश्मा कपूर इन दिल तो पागल है.
Karishma Kapoor
Oh
in
my God, Lolo
she was
in Dil
so
To
hot.
Pagal Hai is my all-time. She's my fashion icon. in
I
that
think
movie.
Urmila and Rangila.
Yeah, Urmila and Rangila is so
Urmila
hot.
and Rangila was amazing. I mean, ये तो 90s के films हैं. I know बहुत मुझे कहना चाहिए वहीदा रहमान, रेखा and all वो बहुत खूबसूरत, you know, but वो बहुत ही Indian. But I used to like Nutan. वो trousers पहनती थी और बहुत ही खूबसूरत लगती थी. And she wore. So yeah, Sharmila Tagore, Nutan. But अगर हम 90s के बारे में बात करें, so even Raveena Tandon in that song, you know, oh Shilpa Shetty and Akshay Kumar in that song.
Chura ke
Dil Mera.
But have you ever tried like to copy them? I mean, you go to a tailor and tell them I want this particular dress. ऐसे कभी
मैं जब भी 13 साल की थी 14 साल की थी अगर मेरी मम्मी को
maybe
कहा
18, 19 years.
नो 18 years old मैं already acting कर रही थी तब तक.
या फिर कभी ऐसे ट्राई किया हो कि I want this particular dress इस तरह का डिजाइन किया
No,
हो?
I thought that if I can get an outfit like Lolo, I'm gonna look so cool. But it was a mess.
No, हम लोग नहीं कर सकते. हाँ, Karishma has a
I'm not
very
sure.
different body type to me.
Picture and this.
सोनम जी एंड रिया जी आपके सामने.
हाँ जी.
सबसे पहले तो कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन.
Thank you.
इसके अलावा हम सभी जानते हैं कि आप एक बेहतरीन एक्टर हैं एंड रिया जी आप एक प्रोड्यूसर भी हैं और अब ये क्लोथ भी आ रहा है आप लोगों का. तो हम ऐसा माने कि इन फ्यूचर आप लोग बिजनेस वुमेन बनने की तैयारियां कर रही हैं या हम
मगर हम like we said there's no reason we can't. हम फिल्म इंडस्ट्री की
मैंने सोचा हम बिजनेस वुमन ऑलरेडी बन गए थे.
हाँ
हम मतलब फिल्म्स भी एक बिजनेस ही है. हाँ, मेरी बहन जो है वो 21 साल की थी जब उसने आयशा बनाई और how old were you when you went खूबसूरत हुई?
I was 23 when it started.
26,
So no, we've
yeah.
been business women since we were very young. We've had our own businesses. I run Anil Kapoor Film Company.
She is the boss. I am her employee.
I mean, let's be honest, AK is the boss. But
He's
actually,
really, he's a not, he's somebody who's not present.
So yeah, we've really tried hard to be honest and smart businesswomen, but do it with whatever we're passionate about, what we love. We don't do anything unless we really love it.
Integrity जो चीज़ है वो हमारे जहन में है और हमें लगता है कि जो भी काम हम करें वो उसके साथ ही करें, you know.
एंड रिया जी आपके घर में हमने देखा है ज्यादातर लोग एक्टर ही हैं, नेशनल अवार्ड विनर एक्टर हैं. तो आप भी प्रोड्यूसर, हम आपको भी देखेंगे इन फ्यूचर एक्टिंग में.
This is not enough. और कितना करूं भाई? मैं मर जाऊंगी. नहीं, I'm not a personality type. मेरी personality actor की personality नहीं है.
What is an actor's personality?
No, I mean, I feel like, when you're an actor, you really have to trust other people and do it from your heart. I am a big control freak. I don't trust anybody. I'm being
That's not-
honest.
I trust
I do
everybody.
everything myself. I try to do as much as I can myself. I'm crazy. I have to change that about myself. But I would have killed everyone. I can't do it. And I don't like looking at myself or hearing myself. So when you guys take pictures of me also, I feel pain. Like I'm very conscious, and I'm not, you know, I can say that. I don't feel bad about it. It's not me. And I never wanted to be famous.
We would like to see you act, right, Sai?
Yeah, come on. Rian.
I don't want to be famous. I like being unknown. I don't want people looking at me everywhere I go. You know, I've grown up with a famous father, with a famous sister, and I understand fame. Mujhe pata hai, you know, I know what it means, and I don't like it. You know, to me, honestly, it's too much of a price to pay. I'd rather have my own life, and I'm just being honest. Like that's my priority, is to have a full life. I don't care if people don't recognize me or whatever.
Sir has had an emotional breakout.
Thanks, Gopal.
Guys, we're down to our last question.
Yes, Cyrus.
I will ignore your question.
I have a question.
Yeah.
I have a question for Mr. Govind. Just wanted to ask you, which is the most selling product from the Rizwan collection?
Sorry, what's the?
Best selling product.
So, both of them have their favorite product, and one of her favorite product, the mom's jacket, is completely sold, and we are reordered.
The mom's jacket is one.
And even our bags.
Bags are doing also very well.
Very well. And they're non-leather.
Sold out. There is Gopal there.
Oh, they're sold
The
out?
scoreboard.
Oh my God. I'm sorry. They're sold out, most of them. So we've reordered them. It's brilliant.
Guys, thank you so much because of
Thank you.
shortage of
Thank
time.
you for joining
But
us.
thank you all so much for this wonderful chat. Thank you all for being such a gracious bunch of audience.